Hello guys, I thought I'd just get on here for a second. I got this, I picked up this Gourmia digital air fryer. And I've already tasted, the results of it, and I really loved it. I was recommended this air fryer, so I went ahead and bought it. Pretty cool air fryer. It really takes the focus off of constantly using your oven all the time. It just makes things a lot easier, and it cuts back on cooking with grease as well. You can put a little cooking oil, just brush on a little cooking oil on your food, on certain types of foods and stuff if you decide to do that, but it's not necessary. But anyway, this is the machine here. All right, it is pretty cool. Now when you go through all of the steps of everything and get it set up and whatnot, you may smell like a burnt kind of smell, but that's perfectly normal. Okay, according to the instructions, that's perfectly normal. Most air fryers, per the manufacturer, smells like that when you first turn them on. It's like turning your heater on for the first time or in a long time. All right, so this air fryer has 12 presets on it. 12 presets. All right. It's not quite lit up right now, but let me zoom in just a little bit so I can get closer to the words, not so much the machine right now. But anyway, it comes with 12 presets. What it does is it air fries. It air fries for you. It cook French fries for you, wings, bacon, seafood, vegetables, which is a big plus. It also bakes for you. It roasts for you. It broils. It dehydrates. It preheats, and it keeps your food warm. So it has 12 presets. These are the presets here. See these? That's 6. Wait. This is 6 presets on this side, and it's 6 presets on this side right here. All right. And so what once you open up your machine and whatnot, take it out the box, you're gonna see this crispers tray, a circular crisper tray. It's like a tray. It's like a small saucer. You're gonna see that. And what you want to do is pull this out. You got to give it a little tug. Pull this out kind of hard. Hold on to this top part. I can't do both at the same time as I'm recording this video, but put one hand up here and put one hand right here and pull out. You got to give it a little zhuzh to get it out. Okay, so once you pull this here out, you put your crisper tray in and set it down to the bottom inside of this tray here. Okay, and then after you do that, which is very easy put together, it's no fuss at all, none at all. Right now I got some wings in there, and I've already did the gravy, and I've did the mashed potatoes. Okay, all I have to do is the vegetables and the meat, and the meat is inside here right now. Okay, everything's preset. You don't have to worry about the time or anything. You don't have to worry about how long and how hot or how cool you have to cook your food. All right, everything is preset. These 12 presets are already preset for you. So it just cuts down on burning, cooking your food too fast or too slow. It just cuts that out. I hate when I have to cook something or fry something, and every time I'm worried about if it's going to be still bleeding or not, because it wasn't cooked enough, or it was cooked too fast and it burned. And that is what this machine here, I really love that this machine is going to answer those questions and really solve those problems for me. All right, it's going to solve those problems for me. All right, so then after you get your tray set up inside of here, then you're going to close it, right? Give it a good judge so it can close up. All right. There's no handle right here to push to automatically have this tray come out. Like I said, you got to have one hand up here, bracing it like this. Brace it like this here on the top, and have one hand down here at the same time, and then pull it out. All right, so then once you've picked what you needed to, what you're going to cook, let's see what the next step is after you put that tray in. Oh, after you put that tray in, then you want to close this up, okay? Because there is another tray inside this compartment right here. You want to close this on up, and then you want to plug in your air fryer, all right? And then you want to turn it on. And you're going to turn it on. There's a button that's going to be, this is the on button. Okay? You're going to press this button as soon as you plug in your machine, because you already took care of putting the basket in here. You're going to push this button here to turn it on. All right? Then once you turn it on, let's see, it's already, you won't have to touch the preheat and the time reminder buttons because they are already set by default. You can't really see it. I have to do a demonstration of it to go beyond the plugging it in and whatnot. But then after you turn it on, you push this button here in the middle and turn it on. All right, then you choose whatever you want to, what you're gonna be, cooking in it. I had wings, so I pressed wings. All right. Then after you turn it on, I have my wings in here because I was given this suggestion to get some aluminum foil and cradle this basket on the inside. Take a slice of aluminum foil and cradle it in the insides, and so that's what that's going to do is keep you from having to clean the inside of this basket less often. Okay? Now, the only thing that you're going to clean is you're going to clean that crisper tray that's in the inside. You take that out, wash it with some dishwater, wash it real good with some, wash it your regular way. Dry it off, wipe down the inside of it, then you put your crisper tray back in it. You set it down in there. It's like a cage, a circular flat cage. Okay? So, like I said, once you turn it on, I accidentally hit the pre button right here, and I accidentally hit the turn reminder button, and what that did was that turned it off. That turned the preheat setting and the turn reminder setting off, and you don't want that, because you want it to preheat and you want it to operate normally how it should operate. So if it's already been preset for 20 minutes, see, it's telling me to turn the food right now. See it? It's going to start beeping, telling you to turn the food. So then what I'm going to do is, I'm wondering, am I supposed to stop it? If I'm going to turn my food, stop. Let's stop it right quick. Okay. I want to know if I stopped it. Let me see, y'all. Okay, here it is right here. I just wanted to make sure I was being safe as I was moving around. So these are the wings that this machine here can make. Or you know, cook up for you. See it right here? I just took out the whole skillet right here. I mean, the whole thing. And you see this aluminum foil? You put your aluminum foil down in there like that. You cradle it and just snug it down there at the bottom to keep any excess, you know, to keep from having to clean your machine as often. All right, so now it told me to turn the meat. So what I got to do is turn the meat. Let me get a fork or something. I just got this fork here. I'm just going to go ahead and turn it. And that crisper tray is underneath this. Can't really see it. See that circular thing? That thing can be pulled up out of there. You got to set that down in there before you put your aluminum foil in there and then proceed with your meat. Okay? So what we're going to do is turn it. Turn the meat like the machine is saying. So let me get this meat to turn, honey. I got this plastic fork. I got some other big forks over there, but all I'm concerned about right now is turning this meat so it can cook evenly on all sides. And these are some wings. All right, y'all. Let's turn over. So we can cook the other side of you know. So let me turn them over, y'all. This is the last one right here. All right. This is the last one right here to be turned over. This one here can be turned over too. Turn it this way. Yeah, there we go. Just so it can be turned over on the other side. Okay, so now that I done turned everything over on the other side, I'm going to put this basket back in here. I gave it a good push, okay? And we're going to push start because we wanted to continue on and continue doing what it needs to do. You're going to hear the fan blowing. And then once it completes this last 12 minutes, 15 seconds, 13 seconds, 12 seconds, 11 seconds, it's going to cut off. Then it's going to be time to eat. Okay? Have a nice day, guys. And what I'll do, I know you couldn't see the lights and stuff like that, but when I accidentally pushed, you know, the preheat button and this turn reminder button, it turned off the preset settings, and you don't want that. The whole point of this machine is to go by those, to honor those preset settings. You want it to tell you how long it's going to cook it and how high. You understand? Right now it's cooking at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and it put a time on there for 25 minutes, I think 25 seconds or whatever it was, 25, you know, and something. I don't know if they got it set in minutes, seconds, XX, but it had 25 on there at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. 4 wings, okay? Raw wings that you get out the pack. All right. And, you know, once you touch them again, touch that again, touch that again, touch the, see if you can get it. Touch the preheat button again. If you accidentally touch it at first, come over here and touch the turn reminder button again, and then these 2 things right here will light up red, and that'll let you know that it's back working the way that it's supposed to work. It's back working, and it's going to tell you how high it's going to cook your food and how long. All right, so you don't have to be fooling with that. So after this, what I'll do is go ahead and try the vegetables for it, see what it does after it does these wings. And you guys, this has been a wonderful video. I am glad I got this machine here. It's been helpful here. I mean, I already tasted it and tasted the food that this machine cooked, and I really liked it. I appreciated it. A friend turned me on to it. But yeah, and that's that pretty much. And it comes with a recipe book, so don't throw away your recipe book. Don't throw that away, okay? Because that's going to give you a lot of pictures and everything on different menus and different different menus and all that stuff. See the book? recipe book, and it has, you know, just different pictures and stuff on it, and of different things, you know what I mean? It gives you not only the recipe but a picture. There's a recipe, blueberry cornbread, and there's a picture of the blueberry cornbread, you know. Here's a recipe for brunched baked potatoes. Here's a picture of those brunched baked potatoes. Okay, so it has a terrific it has a terrific recipe book as well. So please do not throw that away. And I will talk to you guys later. Okay, it's been nice fun. Take care. Deuces.